This is under power video demonstration of the Haas VF5 CNC Vertical Machining Center. We're going to just move the machine up right now to 3,000 It's up to 6,000 RPMs right now. And I'm going to walk in and do a walk around and let you see the machine on the inside. Okay, we're just running a simple program. The tool changer on this machine works fine. It just, we've got a little bit of a lack of air volume problem on our air compressor, and so we're not doing a tool change in the program, but we want you to, right now we're running up to 7,500 RPMs. This is a 50 by 25, 26 by 25 travel machine, 7,500 RPM with a 40 taper. That's what it's running right now. It's new in 2000, 20 horsepower. It just dropped back down to 3,000 RPMs. This machine has about 8,000 on-time hours and about 2,000. It's got 2,053 cycle time hours and 1,300 cutting hours. We haven't finished completely cleaning the machine, but it's in very, very nice shape. So I just want to take a look at the control. Overall look at the machine. Station side tool changer. This is new in 2000. And this concludes our under power video demonstration of the Haas VF5.